In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code in KoboToolbox. Now, the easiest way to do this is as follows. First, you want to open your project. So I'm going to open this test project over here, and then I'm just going to go over here to form, where I can basically copy the link to my survey or form, whatever you want to call this. So I'm going to click on the copy button. Now it's copied the clipboard, and then there's two things you can do. You could either open it in a separate tab like this, and if you're using something like Chrome, which I'm using right now, the browser, you can right click anywhere and you can just click on create QR code for this page. Now, as you can see here, you can just paste in your link, which by default should already be in here, and then you can just click on the download button and it's going to download a QR code, which is going to take people directly to your KoboToolbox form. Okay, that's the first way and the quickest way to do it. However, if you want to be a bit more fancy, you could go to Google, for example, and type in QR code generator, and you could use any of these with your link. So for example, I'm just going to click on this one over here, and it's going to open up and it's going to prompt you to put in the link. I'm going to put the link in over here, and then as you can see, your QR code is going to get generated. You can also design it over here if you want to, and then you can just click on download QR and it's going to download the QR code to your computer, and you can then use it and you have a generated QR code for your form. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.